Hey guys, subscribe to Shyam Sundar 1997's YouTube channel and click the bell button for more videos.
Shyam Sundar 1997 Animations presents Dark Hammer Bro makes an ambulance siren noise / grounded, and was inspired by Catboy 2001 and Mr. Muppet fan. I wonder what should I do today since Lunar New Year 2023 is over. What was that noise? Was the house on fire? Or did someone call the cops? Where is it coming from?
It was me.
Dark Hammer Bro, was that you made the noise?
Well, yes! I made the siren noise for fun.
But I don't understand how or why you made the siren noise, and I hate it.
Oh, alright then. I will keep making the noise when they are coming.
Dark Hammer Bro, stop making the ambulance siren noise. It's getting so annoying. What did I say? Stop it. Dark Hammer Bro, if you keep making the ambulance siren noise one more time, I will slap you and ground you. Oh, that's it.
Ouch! Why did you slap me?
That's because you made the annoying ambulance siren noise in front of me, and for making the ambulance siren noise in front of me, you are grounded until Valentine's Day. Go to your room right now and be ashamed of yourself, and I will tell your mother about this when she gets home.